Hello everyone. I just installed a version of Elementary OS onto my computer as a virtual machine, and I want to show you how it looks. This is the desktop for Elementary OS. I actually already changed the background, and I think it looks really nice. I installed just a few programs, and I want to show you. This kind of looks like a Mac. I think the setup is very similar to a Mac. The Mac and also Linux are both based on Unix code, so that's got a big part to do with it. Now, if you look at the settings window, this looks very similar to a Mac, which you would see. I'm going to show you the display. I have it set at 1280 by 960. I want to do a full screen, so that's why I have it set that way on my computer. We're going to go back and also you can see the applications that I have installed. Click up at the top left, applications, and you can see everything that I have installed here. I already installed LibreOffice. You can see this is pretty much a fresh install, that's why there's not very much showing at all. But yeah, if you want to run terminal, I'm going to show you a couple Linux commands. I really like this about Linux. Run uptime will just show you how long the computer's been online for. It's been up for 6 minutes. LSCPU will show you the information about the processor that you have installed. As you can see, I have an Intel Core i5 at 3.2 gigahertz, and this computer is actually running pretty nice. And if you want to install other programs, go into the App Center, and let's just say, I'm doing this for an example, let's say you want to do some FTP. FileZilla is a good one. That's on Windows, Mac, and I assume Linux now. So you can just go through what kind of thing do you want to install, what kind of thing do you want to download. FTP, let's say you want to do a web browser. So I just did a search for browser. See, I guess Aurora. But yeah, there's Chromium. There's another program called Banshee, which is actually good for if you want to do burn CDs, DVDs, even put things on USB. You can use something like Banshee, and that's a pretty nice program. The only problem with Linux and Windows and Mac, especially Linux and Windows, I believe, is the file systems are not compatible on the two of them. It's, if you were to do something, if you were to format like a USB for Linux, or even format it for FAT32 or NTFS, it's not going to be read on the Windows box. But if you format it on the Windows box, it will be read on Linux. So it seems that unfortunately Linux has not gotten the whole file system thing taken care of, so you're still going to run into some problems with that. If you had a printer, I don't have any printers right now, you can install a printer in here. There's the sound settings, as you can see. So all you have to do is just go down here. There's music, calendar. I'm going to right click on the dock. Yeah. And you can see how well that works. I hope you're having a good day.